Hi, hello. So today I'm going to share to you my experience sa Novacade. And it's actually my first month. I'm 1 month already dito sa Novacade. And I'm still working sa Enggu. So kumukuha na ako ng isa or dalawang student para lang hindi ako mawala sa Enggu because I really love Enggu. And may mga regular students na rin ako doon. So anyway, dito sa Nova Kid, I really enjoyed working here. It's because mga kids lang siya. And although nakakapagod kasi pag kids nga lang ang tinuturuan mo, pero masaya siya. Masaya talaga. So anyway, I will share my screen. Saan na ba? Um, One moment. Saan ang i-share ko dito? Okay. Share. So, dito, uh, pupunta kayo, how, I'm going to share how ako nag-start na mag-apply sa NovaKid. So, what I did is nag-search ako NovaKid, okay, tapos click this, NovaKid Global, tapos, eto, um, dito ako nag-apply, actually. So, here, wait, parang mali ang aking, one moment. So, okay guys, dito kayo sa NovaKid Teachers Apply Now. Not dito sa NovaKid Global. Dito ako, NovaKid Teachers Apply Now. Dito ako nag-apply. Okay, so just click apply. And apply this one. Teach from anywhere. Earn consistently. Ready-made lessons. Ayan. So, positions. Ito. Anyway, so we will try to apply. So, ayan. Just fill out this everything. Yan, full name, email address. They need your photo, of course, your CV or resume as an ESL tutor, cover letter. Madali lang naman. Write it here instead. Tapos questions, fill in additional questions, whatever. Your full name, sorry, according to the ID or passport. Syempre may mga ID naman kayo, no? So, ayan. Super easy lang, guys. Okay? Country of citizenship, residence, ilagay nyo lang yan. Fill out everything. These are the things they needed. So, ayan, mag-bachelor's degree, mga TEFL. Did you find teaching position on social media? Silagay ko TikTok. Did you come across available teaching position career? So, ayan, at least 1 year teaching online. Tapos, 1 year teaching offline. Tapos yung ages ng tinuturuan ninyo. Of course, kailangan din ng video and ayun, just send it here. So, I just also want to share my experience after that. So, I received an email that I will be doing a demo na. So, the demo, it's just online. Wala kang ka-demo na tao. So, it's just online. Ikaw lang mag-isa. So, the first question, may 5 questions siya sa demo. And the first question is describe yourself. So of course, naka-timer siya. So kailangan ninyong maging quick. Alam niyo yun. So alam niyo anong sasabihin niyo. Especially, describe niyo yung teaching experience niyo. Okay? So kung may experience din kayo teaching with special kids or ganon, so you explain it. Ganon. Parang I think they have questions naman. So next question sa akin. By the way, guys, before kayo mag-demo, make sure that you have a lot of props. Like, may mga props kayo. Ako that time, I have a lot of toys talaga. For example, meron akong ganyan na toys. Basta marami akong toys sa tabi ko kasi yun lang ang naisip ko, yung toys. So, yung next question ang naalala ko is, I should explain sa, I think, 9-year-old about bigger, biggest, ganon. So, I explained it. This is, for example, this is big and this is bigger. Okay, and then this is the biggest. So, inexplain ko siya, parang pinakita ko, and dapat parang lively kayo. Alam niyo yun, parang, so yeah, it's because you're going to teach kids, 'di ba? So, make sure that you are um, lively. Alam niyo yun. So, next naman is, let me pause this. Stop share. Okay, so next tanong sa akin is, so bigger, biggest, tapos taller, ganun. Yun ang other question. I don't remember the other one, but the last one is you just have to read something. So magbabasa ka lang. Make sure that um everything is clear, your voice, yung pagbabasa mo is tama, hindi mali-mali, of course. So yun. But so there will be five like questions. So you just have to answer them confidently. And again, don't forget your props, okay? And be honest with your answer also. So I think that's it. I don't want to make everything long. So good luck in your application. We can do it. Okay, see you next time.